Hello, everyone. This is Jaqueline Cruz in 10 Minutes Portuguese Learning with Jacki. And today we are working with numbers in our first lesson. We will start listening, learning, and repeating them. You can go back and listen to it again and again until you feel comfortable to do the activities, which is important for you to understand why you are learning it. Let's educate the brain to make the new words useful by using them. Also, feel free to pause the audio and take your time to do the activities in your own rhythm. Let's get started. 1 to 10 first. 1, 2, dois. 3, três. 4, quatro. 5, cinco. 6, seis. 7, sete. 8, oito. 9, nove. 10, 10. Now only in Portuguese. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's try backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice! Time for activities. I want you to say in Portuguese and in a loud voice your phone number. Go ahead and take your time. Now, I will say my old phone number in Portuguese and let's see if you can understand. You can take notes. We will check after if you get it right. Ready? 9973 58557. 997358557. Got it right? Amazing! If you didn't, pause the video and listen to the numbers again and again. We want you able to get the number right of that Brazilian client or that beautiful lady or guy who you would love to see again. Ready for the next step? Now, from 11 to 20. 11 to 20. 11, 11. 12, 12. 13, 13. 14, 14. 15, 15. 16, 16. 17, 17. 18, 18. 19, 19. 20, 20. As in English, after the 20, you just repeat it and then add the E and plus number. For example, 21, 20 and 1, 21. 20, 20, E and 1. So let's try up to 30. 30, 21, 21. 22, 22. 23, 23. 24, 24. 25, 25. 26, 26. 27, 27. 28, 28. 29, 29. 30, 30. Very good! You can also notice that sometimes the pronunciation of the E in between numbers it's connected with the previous number. So instead of to say 21, we would say 21. That's also correct. Ready for the next step? Good. Now from 30 up to 100. Same applies here. 31, 31. 32, 32. 40, 40. 41, 41. 42, 42. 50, 50. 51, 51. 52, 52. 60, 60. 70, 70. 80, 80. 90, 90. Same still apply. 91, 92 for 91 and 92. Okay. And 100, same. Let's try only in Portuguese. Starting from the 20. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Nice! For the next activities, we will learn some additional words. Ready? The first one, reais. That means reals, the Brazilian currency. Reais, reals. Next word, quanto. How much? Quanto, how much. It can be how many too. Next one, custa, cost. Custa, cost. Next one, barato, cheap. Barato, cheap. Next and last one, caro, expensive. Caro, expensive. So, why are you learning it? Because I want you to be able to ask for the cost of something when you want to buy it. So, that's how you will say. Quanto, how much? Custa, cost. So, how much is the cost? Quanto custa? And if it's expensive, you just say caro. Muito caro. Muito is a lot. Muito, a lot. Caro, expensive. Or it can be cheap, barato. Or muito barato, a lot cheap. Or very cheap. I love those. And then the word reais. It's because they are going to give you a number and they are going to tell you reais at the end. So you know that they are talking about our currency in Brazil. So they can answer 20 reais, 20 reals. Okay, got it? It's time for activities. Tell me in Portuguese how much often, quanto custa, a cup of coffee. Café, coffee, café. Just give me a number in Portuguese. How about the shirt you are wearing right now? Quanto custa a shirt like yours? What about if I tell you that a coffee in Brazil or café no Brasil cost about 4 reals? Do you think it is caro or barato? If you say barato, cheap, very good answer. How about my shirt? It custa 90 reais. Answer in Portuguese, is it cheap or expensive? If you say expensive, caro or barato, it's up to you. Nice! Let's learn some more numbers. 200, 200. 300, 300. 400, 400. 500, 500. 600, 600. 700, 700, 800, 800, 900, 900, thousand, mil, a million, milhão. Let's try only in Portuguese. Starting from 200. 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000, milhão. Very good! That's all for today. Thanks for being with me in the first 10 minutes Portuguese learning with Jackie. Do you like it? See below for all the information to watch the basic lessons for free. And go to my Patreon, where you can download the videos in audio format and listen to it on any device, traveling, driving, or running, for example. Also, support the channel and get the intermediate and advanced level lessons. Let's learn Portuguese with me. It's just 10 minutes per day and you soon will be fluent. Bye-bye! Ciao, ciao. Thanks for your support. And see you in the lesson number 2, the alphabet.